Even with bumpy credit, little down payment, and income that just isn't quite there, renters are becoming home buyers by using rent-to-own programs to get them on the path to homeownership. If finally getting on the path to homeownership sounds good, here are the basics that can get you there. It's pretty simple. When you rent-to-own a home, you're planning for your future but making it happen today. Say your credit took a hit from divorce, job loss, medical expenses, or any other reason. Rent-to-own programs give you the time and opportunity to rebuild your credit while living in the home you want to buy. Maybe you haven't had the opportunity to save enough money for a big down payment the mortgage lenders require. With rent-to-own, there's still a down payment, but unlike that mortgage loan, it doesn't require up to 20% down. Make an initial down payment, and during your rent-to-own phase, you can have the time and opportunity to save even more money toward your down payment. Maybe your income levels aren't quite where they need to be, so you can get into a home you really want. With rent-to-own, you have the time and opportunity to work toward increasing your income, all while living in the house you ultimately want to buy. So if we break it all down, rent-to-own is really about time and opportunity. You're planning for your future, but you're making it happen today.